In life, many of us try to stay honest, work hard, and hold on to our values. But sometimes, a single moment of greed or one wrong thought can completely change the direction of our life. Think about it. Have you ever realized that one decision you make could either open the door to success or close it forever? The story I'm about to share is one you should listen to carefully. Every part of it shows how even a good person can make a bad choice if they fail to control their thoughts. Many years ago, there was a young man named Jake who lived in a small town. His life was full of struggles. Each day he went out looking for work, earned just a little money, came home, cooked a simple meal, and then went to sleep. One evening, after searching all day for a job and finding nothing, Jake was walking home with a heavy heart. Suddenly, he heard a voice from behind. "Is there anyone who can help me carry something?" Jake turned and saw an old man standing with 3 large duffel bags beside him. Each one looked heavy. "Yes, I can help," Jake replied. The old man said, "I need to go to the next village. It's a bit far. I can carry 2 of these bags myself, but the 3rd one is too heavy. If you carry it for me, I'll give you 3 gold coins." Hearing this, Jake agreed. He bent down, lifted the bag, and immediately felt its weight. "Wow, this is really heavy," Jake said. The old man nodded calmly. "Yes, because it's filled with bronze coins." Though it was heavy, Jake placed the bag on his shoulder and began walking beside the old man. As they moved forward, Jake noticed the old man kept glancing at him. "Maybe he thinks I'll run away with the bag," Jake thought. But then he reminded himself, "I'm not a thief. I just want to earn honestly." Soon, they reached the bank of a river. Jake stepped into the water and began crossing, but the old man stayed back. "I'm too old," the man said. "I can't cross the river carrying these 2 bags. If I try, I might drown. Can you take 1 more bag for me?" "Don't worry, I'll give you 3 more gold coins," Jake agreed. But when he reached for the bag, the old man stopped him. "Promise me you won't run away," the man said. Jake looked surprised. "Why would I run away?" The old man explained, "Because this bag is full of silver coins. It's hard to trust people these days." Jake felt a bit annoyed now. "Do I look like a thief to you? I don't cheat for money. Just give me the bag." He picked up the 2nd bag and crossed the river. Even with the silver coins, Jake didn't let greed change his values. After the river, they reached a hill. Jake began climbing slowly, but the old man stayed at the bottom. "Why are you still standing there?" Jake called out. "I'm too old," the man replied. "I can't climb with this bag." "Then give it to me." "I'll carry it," Jake said. The old man hesitated. "But this bag holds gold coins. If you run away, I won't be able to stop you." By now, Jake was a little frustrated. "I already told you. I'm not that kind of person. I'm an honest man. I used to work for a loan company where I handled records. When they asked me to lie about a client's loan, I quit the job instead of cheating." The old man studied Jake for a moment and finally handed him the bag. "I don't know if you're telling the truth, but here, take it. Walk ahead and I'll follow slowly. Wait for me on the other side of the hill." Jake lifted the bag and started climbing, leaving the old man behind. As he walked, a dangerous thought crept into his mind. "If I run away with these 3 bags, the old man will never catch me. I'll be rich for life." Another thought followed. "He's old. He probably won't live much longer. What use does he have for all this money? But I'm young. With this money, I can marry a beautiful woman and live a luxurious life." Tempted by these thoughts, Jake began to run. He carried all 3 bags home, breathing heavily, excited about his new fortune. But when he opened the bags, his heart sank. There was no gold, no silver, only small stones. Why did the old man lie? Jake asked himself. Then, inside one of the bags, he saw a note. He unfolded it and read, "I am the king of this land. I have no family or heir, and I am growing old. I have been searching for an honest person to adopt as my son and future king. If you had not run away, you would have been that person. Reading those words, Jake's heart broke. All his life, he had been honest. He never cheated anyone. But in one single moment, a greedy thought took over his mind. And that one thought ruined everything. If he had controlled his mind for just a little longer, he could have become the heir to the throne. But one weakness, one wrong decision, made him lose the greatest opportunity of his life. This story teaches us how powerful our thoughts can be. Jake was truly an honest man, but one greedy thought grew bigger and bigger until it pushed him to do something against his nature. First, he thought, if I run away, the old man can't catch me. Then it turned into, I'll get rich. I'll live a great life. I'll marry a beautiful woman. That chain of thoughts led him down the wrong path. There's a saying, even our worst enemy cannot harm us the way our own negative thoughts can. Every action begins with a thought. A thought becomes words. Words become actions. Actions become habits, and habits shape our future. If we want to protect ourselves from regret, we must first protect our thoughts. Positive and honest thoughts guide us toward a better, more meaningful life. Our thoughts are like seeds. Whatever we plant will eventually grow into our future. So let's make sure we plant seeds of honesty, peace, and positivity. If you believe this story carries an important lesson, please like and share this video so more people can hear it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. I'll be back soon with another life-changing story. Until then, be patient, be grateful, and keep moving forward in life.